Today I'm going to share with you my weekly routine that helps keep my home tidy. I got tired of spending hours every week cleaning and tidying my house, which was filled with dirty laundry and toys everywhere. Often I would do the weekend warrior method and wait until the weekend to tackle the entire home, giving up my leisure time for playing catch up on home tasks. Now that I have this routine, my house stays so much tidier. On Mondays, I clean out my fridge, meal plan, and place my grocery pickup order for the week. I'm a single mom of six, but three of my kids are grown and out on their own. So that leaves myself, my adult daughter, and my two elementary schoolers needing to be fed. I like to plan all three meals of the day since I have diabetes. It just makes it easier for me to plan and track my carb intake. It's clearly working though because I lost 20 pounds and dropped my A1C 4 points in only 3 months. But I'll talk about that another time. Tuesdays, I pick up my grocery order and I put the groceries away. I run any errands that I may have, like dropping stuff off at the post office and whatnot. Wednesdays, we change the bedding. I say we because my kids help with this task. Now, my oldest daughter, she's 25, so she does all of her own laundry whenever she feels like, her laundry needs to be done. So I'm talking about myself and my two littlest children. They strip their own beds, and my 9-year-old makes her bed and her brother's bed because he's only 6 and has a hard time with the fitted sheets and getting everything even. I also try to rotate in any curtains that need washing. Usually that's just our homeschool classroom and our dining room because those are the areas where my kids can actually touch the curtains with their grubby little kid hands. Thursdays is all about paying bills and filing papers because that's my payday. So this is when I tend to my to-do items or my action file, and I put away any documents that I need to keep in either my short or my long-term storage file. Any sensitive items that I don't need any longer, I shred with my paper shredder. When it comes to getting paperwork done, getting this task accomplished on a weekly basis helps to prevent that paper overflow that is so hard to catch up on, and it causes bills to be late and important tasks to get missed. I cannot tell you what a hot mess sandwich it was to not have a solid paper routine in place. The paper clutter gets out of hand so fast, and unfortunately a lot of those papers are important, and it can really wreak havoc in your life if you do not have a good paper system in place. Fridays, we do a house reset. I said we because yes, my kids participate in this as well. They may only be 9 and 6, but I still have them do what they can to help out because everyone needs to pull their weight in the family. So they simply empty trash cans, sweep, mop, pick up any out of place items and get them put away and so forth. We always have family movie night on Fridays, so it's a great incentive for the kids to get the tasks done quickly and without fuss so that we can get to our family fun time. While they work on their chores, I tackle my chores and make sure that any hot spots are cleared up, messes are cleaned, toilets are unclogged, and the trash in my yard is picked up. And I say that because I live on a main road and people feel it appropriate to toss their trash on my lawn, which is super frustrating, but there's really not much I can do about it. So I just make sure I take the time every week to give my yard a walkthrough and make sure that there isn't a bunch of garbage laying around on my lawn. On Saturdays and Sundays, I designate those for special projects that I want to work on and family time. So those are the days where I will take the kids on a field trip, plan a special activity, or just spend time together. Sundays here at my house are called Sunday Fun Day because it's all about fun and family. So this is the routine that I do every week to help keep my home tidy. And I know that this can help your home too. Now, I'm not saying that you need to copy what I'm doing. What I'm saying is that you can take what I'm doing as inspiration for you to create your own routine that will work with your family and your lifestyle. Because not everyone has the same living situation. We all have a different family makeup. Some of us are single. We all have different jobs, different hours, different days off. So there is no kind of cookie cutter routine that's going to work for everyone. So when I say this will work for you, what I'm saying is having a routine that fits into your schedule will work for you when it comes to keeping your home tidy. So, some things that you can do if you're in a different situation than I am, you can be a weekend warrior if your weekdays are just slammed and you really just don't have any time for cleaning. Perhaps you work in the medical field and you work 12-hour days. Whatever that situation is, you can be a weekend warrior. That means maybe you designate one day on the weekend to tackle all of those home tasks, get caught up on all the dishes, the laundry, get all the cleaning done. Although dishes and laundry should be a daily thing, I'm going to be honest with you, but I'll talk about my daily routine later. But set aside a day on the weekend, and it shouldn't take you the whole day, maybe a couple hours just to get everything back to ground zero, to just square one and reset, the way that it should be. If you don't have the weekends off, when I say weekend, you can just consider that your days off. So wherever those days may fall, it could be Tuesday and Wednesday or Monday and Friday. Just however your days pan out for you, you can take one of those days to reset your home and just, get everything caught up so that you have some consistency in the home. If you are a super busy person, if you've got a lot of kids, work multiple jobs, whatever your situation is, if time is your problem, oh, how much I relate to you. I get that. That is my biggest hang up as well, is time, which is really why having a routine that works was such a game changer for me, because I have so little time that if I didn't have this routine in place, nothing would ever get done. Or it would, some things would get done here or maybe there, but nothing was ever consistent. So it's finding something that you can work into what you're normally doing. And by that, I mean, let's say you're microwaving a burrito for breakfast. While that's cooking, you can empty the dishwasher. It takes less than 5 minutes to empty the dishwasher or to load it. Okay, I've timed it. I always thought that this would take 15, 20 minutes. No, it takes less than 5 minutes to get that done. So it's as simple as you're microwaving something, pop that in, or take them out and put them away. It doesn't take very long. You can do it when you're making dinner, lunch, whatever it is. You can get something accomplished. If your dishes are caught up, that's when you could open one of your kitchen drawers and give it a quick declutter or get it organized, whatever it is that you need to work on. You could even run to the bathroom real quick and do a quick swish with the toilet brush and just clean the inside of the bowl real fast and wipe off the sink. You could get that done in less than 2 minutes while a burrito cooks. So I played that excuse a lot of the time as, oh, I just don't have the time. And it was really, I just wasn't using my time effectively. I had time. I just had to realize that I had time. I may not have dedicated time where I'm only doing cleaning, but I do have the time to multitask. So I can absolutely be cooking and getting something else done at the same time. Or I could absolutely be folding laundry while I'm helping a child with their homework. Like, you just have to multitask. So if time is at a premium for you, look for those times during your day where you could juggle more than one task so you can increase your efficiency, your productivity, and get your home on the track to tidy. This is what I do every week. I know that this will help you. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I will talk to you next time.